अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरी वीडियो है आज की 10वीं जमात का लेसन द टू ग्रेट म्यूजिशियंस के सॉल्यूशंस। वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। हमें सवालात के जवाब देने हैं। पहला सवाल है नंबर 1, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट म्यूजिशियन टू बी अवार्डेड भारत रत्ना? आंसर इज द फर्स्ट म्यूजिशियन टू गेट द भारत रत्ना वॉज एम.एस. सुब्बलक्ष्मी। नंबर 2, इन विच ईयर वॉज एम.एस. सुब्बलक्ष्मी अवार्डेड पद्म भूषण? आंसर इज M.S. Subbulakshmi got the Padma Bhushan in 1954. Number 3. Where was M.S. Subbulakshmi born? Answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi was probably born in Madurai because her first recital was there when she was little. Number 4. When did M.S. Subbulakshmi give her first recital? Answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi gave her first recital when she was 10 years old. Number 5. When did M.S. Subbulakshmi pass away? Answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi died on December 11, 2004. Number 6. Who was Lata Mangeshkar's first guru in music? Answer is Lata Mangeshkar's first teacher in music was her father Dinanath Mangeshkar. Number 7. What are the Lata Mangeshkar's Guinness records? Answer is Lata Mangeshkar's Guinness record is for recording the most songs in the world, at least 30,000. Number 8. What made Lata Mangeshkar act in films in her early days? Answer is Lata Mangeshkar acted in movies early on to earn money for her family after her father died. Number 9. Which Hindi film gave Lata Mangeshkar a breakthrough? Answer is the Hindi film Shaheed gave Lata Mangeshkar her big break. Number 10. What were the prestigious awards conferred on Lata Mangeshkar in India? Answer is Lata Mangeshkar won the Padma Bhushan, Dada Saheb Phalke Award, Padma Vibhushan and the Bharat Ratna in India. नेक्स्ट बी वाली एक्टिविटी है, यहाँ पर भी तफसीली जवाब देना है। नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन है डिस्क्राइब द अचीवमेंट्स ऑफ श्रीमती M.S. सुब्बलक्ष्मी। आंसर इज श्रीमती M.S. Subbulakshmi's achievements include being the first musician to get the Bharat Ratna, winning the Padma Bhushan and Indira Gandhi Award, singing at the UNO, getting lots of awards and being called the Nightingale of India. She was also the first woman to get the Sangeet Kalanidhi title. Number 2. Compare the achievements of Srimati M.S. Subbulakshmi and Srimati Lata Mangeshkar. Answer is both M.S. Subbulakshmi and Lata Mangeshkar were really important Indian musicians and both got the Bharat Ratna. M.S. Subbulakshmi was famous for Carnatic music and sang all over the world. Lata Mangeshkar sang tons of songs in movies and has Guinness record. Number C. Read the following statements and answer the following questions. नीचे दिए गए मुकालमों को पढ़ना है और उसके ताल्लुक से सवालात के जवाबात को हल करना है। Number 1. The event was a moment of glory for classical music. A. Who said this? Answer. Pandit Jasraj said this. Who was it said to? Answer. He probably said it to other people who like music or maybe in an interview. Number C. When was it said? Answer is he said it when a classical musician got a really big award like Bharat Ratna that M.S. Subbulakshmi got. D. Why was it said so? Answer is he said it because it was a big honor for all classical music when someone from the field got such a high award. Number 2. The music world and Tamil Nadu have been honored. A. Who said this? Answer is Semmangudi Srinivas Iyer said this. B. Who does this statement refer to? Answer is this is about M.S. Subbulakshmi getting a big award, probably the Bharat Ratna. C. When was it said? Answer is he said it after she got the award. Next activity है vocabulary. Use the following phrases in sentences of your own. Number 1. Pleased. Number 1. Pleased to. I am pleased to help you. Number 2. Used to. Answer is he used to waking up early. Number 3. To give away means distribute. Answer is the teacher will give away the books. Number 4. Fond of. My friend is fond of playing games. Backed out. Answer is he backed out of the race. Number 6. Give up. Don't give up trying. Next activity, match the following and make compound words. यहाँ पर हमें compound words बनाने हैं. Answer is classical music. Number 2. Playback. Number 3. Breadwinner. Number 4. Eyewitness. Number 5. सुप्रीम वॉइस। नेक्स्ट सी वाली एक्टिविटी है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर डिक्शनरी एक्सप्लेन द डिफरेंस इन मीनिंग बिटवीन द वर्ड इन ईच पेयर बिलो। यहाँ पर नीचे दिए गए हर एक लफ्ज़ के मानी को हमें डिक्शनरी में ढूंढ कर लिखना है। नंबर 1, डुएट मीन्स अ सॉन्ग फॉर टू पीपल, दे sang a beautiful duet. Chorus is a big group singing, the chorus sounded amazing. Number 2, music composer means someone who writes music. A.R. Rahman is famous music composer. Playwright means someone who writes plays. William Shakespeare was a great playwright. Number 3, alone, by yourself. I like to be alone sometimes. Lonely means feeling sad because you have no friends. He felt lonely on his first day. Number 4, hear, to notice a sound. I can hear a bird. Listen, to pay attention to a sound. Please listen to the teacher. Number 5, same means exactly the same. We have the same bag. Similar means almost the same. These colors are similar. Next activity है, study the following statements and give one word for each sentences. नीचे दिए गए जुमलों को हमें पढ़ना है और एक लफ्ज़ में इसके जवाब देने हैं. Number 1, the spectators or listeners assembled at a performance. Answer is audience. Number 2, 50th year of celebration. Answer is golden jubilee. Number 3, a person whose voice enriches the song in the movies. Answer is playback singer. अगली एक्टिविटी है लैंग्वेज एक्टिविटी. यहाँ पर हमें प्रिपोजिशंस को लगाना है. श्रीमती हेमा lives at K Halli, a small village in Tiptur. Her music programs were scheduled at 6 p.m. She went with her friends by a car. While going, they saw a program banner in front of the entrance of the city on the school. They reached it and the program began on time. On the stage, singer Hema sat beside the stage. Geeta was sitting among them. Ghata was played by Raghu, sitting behind Ravi and Arun. Srimati Kala, a violinist playing violin, was sitting to Srimati Hema. The audience were enjoying the music happily and talking between themselves. When the program was over, Hema and her friends came back to the house. Hema searched for the key. He was not in a position to open the door without the key. One of her friends tried to open the lock with a pin but could not open. Another friend opened the door with a duplicate key. They then entered the house. अगली एक्टिविटी है यहाँ पर, complete the crossword puzzle using prepositions given in the box. यानी हमें यहाँ पर पजल को हल करना है. जवाबात कुछ इस तरह से होंगे. अक्रॉस के जवाबात हैं. नंबर 1 between, नंबर 2 above, नंबर 3 before, नंबर 4 across, नंबर 5 until, नंबर 6 along, नंबर 7 without. डाउन की तरफ जाएं तो हमें इसके जवाबात कुछ इस तरह से हैं. तो इसी को हमें पजल में स्पेलिंग को लिखना है. नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी है, पिक ए टॉपिक फ्रॉम द बिलो एंड प्रिपेयर ए शॉर्ट अकाउंट टू प्रेजेंट द टॉपिक इन द क्लास. यू हैव 10 मिनट्स पर ग्रुप टू डिस्कस एंड 5 मिनट्स पर ग्रुप टू प्रेजेंट. यहाँ पर एक टॉपिक को हमें चुनना है, उसके ताल्लुक से हमें कर्नाटिक म्यूज़िक. आंसर है पुरंदरदासा कंसिडर्ड द फादर ऑफ कर्नाटका म्यूजिक. पितामह, ग्रैंडफादर. ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ साउथ इंडियन म्यूजिक. So many musicians and composers have been inspired by his devotional raga-based kirtana etc. Folk music के बारे में है. Folk songs originated during village work and festivals. Meaningful lyrics often relax the mind and give pleasure. It is usually born out of experience and has no literary background. Number 3, film songs. Everybody from students to elders enjoy their favorite film songs. Many languages have many film composers and almost everybody hums or sings them naturally and frequently every channel. तो ये थे इसके सॉल्यूशंस. अल्लाह हाफिज़.